3 health benefits of aloe vera juice. 1. Provides hydration. The aloe vera juice provides hydration to our body. If you are keeping yourself hydrated all day long, your body gets a chance to detox itself. It naturally flushes out the toxins and impurities from the body. 2. Eases constipation. Aloe vera juice helps your body to increase the water content in your intestines. There is a connection between increasing the intestinal water and the stimulation of peristalsis. This connection keeps your body to pass stool normally. Hence, if you have a tendency to get constipated often, try including aloe vera juice daily into your diet routine. 3. Good for skin. Aloe vera juice helps in reducing the frequency and appearance of acne. Besides that, it may prevent some skin issues like psoriasis and dermatitis. Moreover, aloe vera is a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins, which helps in protecting your skin. Other than that, aloe vera can neutralize the effects of ultraviolet (UV) radiation, repair your skin from existing UV damage, and help prevent fine lines and wrinkles. So these are the 3 health benefits of aloe vera juice.